Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, I don't care what nobody say. All right, I'm gonna keep it real. I know it's a lot of network marketing haters out there, a lot of doubters, critics about making money with network marketing, but I've been involved with a couple companies right now that I'm super excited about, super hyped up about, and it really hit me. It really hit me that these opportunities can make you rich, right? The two companies that I'm talking about is, first of all, Live Good, right? Live Good is an opportunity that is blowing up right now. People are talking about it, marketers, affiliate marketers, network marketers, everybody talking about Live Good. And it's so popular because, you know, it has a very low entry to get involved with. So for $50, right, you can get involved with Live Good, $50 one time, and $10 a month. You can literally have your own online business and get all of the benefits of being involved with network marketing for $10 a month, right? Then the other opportunity that I'm involved with, which I might even be more excited about this one than even Live Good, which is Nexus Rewards. All right, Nexus Rewards allows you to have multiple streams of income from one platform, right? It allows you to actually save money, right? Get all these discounts, get your bills lowered, be able to travel at a discount, get cash back whenever you shop. All of these things you get as a Nexus Rewards premium member. Now for this $22 a month, you're actually now able to build up a passive recurring income just by promoting Nexus Rewards and inviting people to that opportunity. Now here's something about both of these opportunities that a lot of people don't think about, but if they did, they would be truly motivated to really push these opportunities. And that is matching bonuses, right? Now a lot of people, you know, you might have heard this term or, you know, didn't really think too much about it. But with both of these opportunities, at certain points, when you get to certain levels, right, you are able to earn matching bonuses from whatever the people earn that you recruit into the opportunity. So take Live Good, for example. So just bringing in 2 people into Live Good, that makes you a bronze member. Now, as a bronze member, you are now able to earn a 50% match bonus for everybody you bring into Live Good. All right. So if you bring in 100 people, right, into Live Good, whatever they get from their network that they earn, you're going to get 50% of that. So just imagine if you had, you know, 5 people, right? 5 people who just go hard, and these 5 people are making, you know, $1,000 a month from their Live Good business, right? You're going to get half of that. So that's $2,500 that you're going to get every single month just from these people's, you know, their effort, right? So if you really think about that and expand it out, right? Get crazy with this, right? Get crazy, right? What if you had, you know, 200 active people that you bring into your network, right? And you're going to get 50% of whatever they make. And that's the same thing with Nexus Rewards. Same concept, right? When you hit certain levels, and they even have it till you get to a certain point where you can get 100% matching bonus with Nexus Rewards, right? So without a doubt, guys, if you get involved with these 2 network marketing companies, and because I'm saying these 2, because these are the companies that I'm involved with. Maybe there's other companies who doing similar things, but these are the ones that I'm rocking with. And if you really pick one of these and run with them, these definitely can get you rich, like without a doubt. Like, you just think about it, you do the math. So for all the people out there that's hating on network marketing, that's probably because they just a hater, or they tried it before and they quit for whatever reason. But I am going to grow these businesses, and these are going to help me reach my financial goals and they can do the same thing for you. So if you want to join me in Live Good or in Nexus Rewards, you can do so by checking out the links in the description, and let's grow this thing together. All right. Remember, it's all about getting into go mode and staying in go mode.